Surgeon Dr. Glani is there, and today I am here to discuss about the mastectomy incisions. Here you can say that I have drawn this axilla, and just to show that this is the right side of the breast, and this is the left sided breast. And here in all the diagrams I have drawn the nipple areola complex in the red dot, and then you can say that blackish dots over it. That's the nipple areola complex in all the four diagrams. And at the end I have drawn this star. Basically this is the lesion, this is the tumor, and it's present in different locations in different quadrants of the breast. And according to all these quadrants of the breast, I will give the different incisions I will show you. Normally there are certain principles for the mastectomy incisions. First thing, it will start from, you can say that, 1 centimeter from the sternum, and it definitely should be 1 to 1.5 centimeter lateral to the sternum, and its lateral extent, it should be anterior to the posterior axillary line. So this is the extent of the mastectomy incision. So in the first diagram, where your tumor is very close to the nipple areola complex, here I will give the classic Stewart incision. So in our first diagram, the lesion is periareolar. In this case, we will give the elliptical incision, which is known as, you can say that, classic Stewart incision. And our ellipse, it will be horizontal. We will start from the lateral border, or you can say that 1.1 to 1.5 centimeter lateral to the sternum. I will start this incision, and I will advance it, making ellipse like this over the anterior to the posterior axillary line, or you can say that the anterior border of the latissimus dorsi. And again I will proceed from the other side, and it will become like this. It should include the nipple areola complex. One thing, again, the distance, this distance should be 2 centimeter on both the sides of the tumor, and this is the classic Stewart incision for the mastectomy. So now we are moving towards the second diagram, in which the location of this star, that's the tumor, it's on the inner border, or you can say the inner quadrant of the breast. Here it lies. The incision, the rules of the incision, they will remain same, so that we can give the elliptical incision, but there is some alteration in our incision due to changed location of our tumor. So our incision will remain elliptical, but it will become to somehow, you can say that, oblique due to position of the tumor. So we will again, following the same rules, we will start 1 to 2 centimeter lateral to the sternum, including the tumor and nipple areola complex. On the other side, same side, but the direction of the ellipse is to somehow elliptical, to somehow, you can say that, oblique due to position of the tumor. And this is the modified Stewart incision. Again, this distance is 2 centimeter, again 2 centimeter, and we are remaining anterior to the posterior axillary fold. So this is the modified Stewart incision. Well, now moving towards this third diagram, in which our tumor, it is lying over the upper quadrant of the breast, basically our upper quadrant of the right breast. Here again we will follow again the same rule. This is the sternum, and we will again remain 1 to 2 centimeter away or lateral to the sternum. We will start from here. It will be more oblique as compared to the modified Stewart incision, but the rules and regulations, they will remain same. It will be again elliptical incision. So we will start from this area, and to complete the ellipse, again the lateral dimensions are same. We will remain anterior to the posterior axillary line, and we this distance, again, it will be 2 centimeter above, and it will be 2 centimeter below, and this is known as the OR incision, classic OR incision, ORR. Again I am writing for your easiness, OR incision. Now here we are going to move our fourth diagram, in which our lesion is at 6 o'clock position. So again, the rules and regulations again will remain same. It will be elliptical. Again, it will start from the 1 to 2 centimeter from the lateral border of the sternum, and we will remain on the lateral border. You can say that anterior to the posterior axillary line, but it will become more oblique, or you can say that more vertical incision. So again, starting from this point and moving towards above side, and to complete the incision like this, and again 2 centimeter this distance, 2 centimeter this above and below from the lesion, it should be there. And this is known as the classical or incision. Sorry to say, this is not classical or incision, this is the modified or incision. Modified or incision. So to summarize this in a nutshell, this is the first incision, where that's the classic Stewart incision. This is the modified Stewart incision. And two more incision, classic or incision and the modified or incision. Hope you have learned something from my video. So if you have learned something from my video, then do subscribe my channel Surgeon Dr. Meglani by clicking on the link below. If you like our content, if you learned something from our videos, then do subscribe by clicking on the red button below. So thank you so much.